वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आप सभी लोग का मेरे इस चैनल में स्वागत है। आई वुड लाइक टू इन्फॉर्म यू अबाउट कर्नाटका स्टेट फर्स्ट राउंड रिवाइज्ड फर्स्ट राउंड शेड्यूल पोस्ट अलॉटमेंट रिजल्ट। तो ये नोटिफिकेशन है कर्नाटका स्टेट का अलॉटमेंट का पोस्ट अलॉटमेंट रिजल्ट दिखा रहा हूँ मैं इसको। पब्लिकेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट राउंड अलॉटमेंट रिजल्ट 25 तारीख को आ गया था। एक्सरसाइजिंग चॉइस बाय द सीट लोग अलॉटेड कैंडिडेट 26 नवंबर 2020 से 27 नवंबर। चॉइस 1 चॉइस 2 फ्रॉम 26/11 आज टू 28 नवंबर 2020। Deposition of original documents in person only by choice 1 fee paid candidate at KE 18th Cross Malleshwaram Bangalore from 27th November to 29th November up to 5 p.m. Last date of reporting of allotted medical dental college of by choice 1 candidate only as per their eligibility and verification slip 13 नवंबर 2020 तक आप लास्ट डेट है आपको रिपोर्टिंग करने का कॉलेज में। तो आप सभी लोग को बधाई हो जो कैंडिडेट का अलॉटमेंट आ गया है। इस बार कट ऑफ बहुत हाई है कर्नाटका का प्राइवेट कॉलेज का भी। सेंट जॉन जो है इस बार 628 पे क्लोज हुआ है ओपन कैटेगरी। तो ये नोटिफिकेशन है। दूसरा नोटिफिकेशन एक और है, वो मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको। यूजीनी 2020 मेडिकल एंड डेंटल कोर्सेज फर्स्ट राउंड पोस्ट seat allotment procedure choice before a candidate. After verifying the seat allotment result, the candidate has following 4 choices only for the candidate who have been allotted a seat. If a candidate fails to exercise any of the following 4 choices within the stipulated date and time, then the seat allotted to such candidate stand cancelled automatically without any further choice in this regard. She will not allowed to participate in further round. Choice 1. I am satisfied with the allotted seat and I am willing to report to allotted college. Therefore, I should not be considered to further allotment of seats in any subsequent and round of any college. Discipline. I will pay the prescribed fees for the seat allotted by downloading a e-challan or NFT RTGS IMPS challan as per procedure detailed to KE website. And later on I will download admission order report to college immediately afterwards. I will log in to my open entry login ID and will report KE that I have joined the college. Further, the college authority will have to log in their college login ID that the respective candidate has joined the college. If candidate fail to report back to the KE that she has joined, then seat will be cancelled even though they might have physically joined. Further, any candidate who has paid the fees, obtained the admission order and fails to report to the college on the before the last date of time and specified the KE admission order for such candidate, no extension of time will be given and allotment made in her favor shall be treated as cancelled, and she has no claim further on such allotment and they will not consider for the allotment seat of a subsequent round. Such seats shall be reverted back to the pool and fee paid by them will be forfeited. Implication: not eligible to participate in subsequent round. Important: before opting this choice, a candidate is advised to make sure that she cannot come back to open entry process UGNE 2020 for medical and dental courses, that is engineering, architect and veterinary. So this is the notification. Choice 2, I am certified with the allotted choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. So candidate, you should read this notification very carefully. You can check your allotment result, put your CET number and submit it. Then you will get your allotment result like this. This is an important instruction for the allotted candidate. So candidates who got their seats, who allotted their seats, I congratulate them. Best wishes. If you like this channel, subscribe, like and comment, and please support this channel